everyone, welcome back to the kitchen and another installment of Herbalife Wednesday. Today we're going to be using our vanilla protein drink mix and our vanilla Formula 1, and we're going to turn it into this amazing, my favorite of all time, I drink it every single morning, key lime pie shake. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to make my very favorite breakfast shake that I start every day with, and that is my favorite key lime pie Herbalife shake. This is super easy. It's just vanilla and you build from there. So we're going to start off with 1 scoop of our vanilla protein drink mix, 2 scoops of our vanilla Formula 1, and then the magic happens. Then we're going to use a teaspoon or more, depending on your personal preference, of true lime, crystallized lime juice. Now I buy this on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. No problem. This is going to give you that delicious citrusy flavor. And then we're going to give it the key lime pie treatment by adding 2 to 3 teaspoons each of sugar-free instant vanilla pudding and sugar-free instant cheesecake pudding. Cheesecake pudding is super important here because that's what's going to replicate the flavor of the sweetened condensed milk that is in a traditional key lime pie. Then we're going to swizzle the jar, and I'll show you what I do with this. This is sugar-free Smucker's sundae syrup in the caramel flavor. This comes in both caramel and chocolate. We have them both on hand because we use them for different flavors of shakes. We're just going to swizzle the inside of the glass, and this is going to give you a little extra flavor boost that's going to really add to the richness of this shake. We're going to use 8 to 10 ounces of cold water and approximately a cup to a cup and a half of ice, depending on the preference and thickness level that you like. We're going to top everything off with a bit of crushed graham cracker. You can use the low-fat graham crackers and then just crush them up, and then we're just going to sprinkle some on the top, and then it's going to be just like a key lime pie. And I kid you not, this is so satisfying and delicious. In with our water, and then you know the deal. We're going to add all of our powdered ingredients, and then I'm going to start it on stir. When you start it on this particular blender, when you start it on the stir setting, it's going to pull all those dry ingredients down into the vortex, and it's going to mix them so it's not going to like splatter everywhere. And then we're going to hit it on the whip. When you start to see those large bubbles come up, then you'll know that it's thickened enough that you can proceed. Now, because we have this sugar-free instant pudding in there, it's probably got a little bit of, it might have some thickeners in it, but it is an instant pudding, so it's probably going to have some sort of modified food starch. You want to activate that before you move on to your ice, just so that it gives this portion of the shake time to thicken up, because the ice is going to make it become even thicker. Like I said, it's approximately a cup of ice, and we're just going to hit this on the whip setting again. You can see when this shake is perfectly thick, and then you'll know when to proceed. It will change the pattern at which it's starting to spin around in there. So now, before we pour, we're going to swizzle our cup. So I just now I use mason jars to drink out of because it's just convenient for us, and they're available. So you use whatever cup you want. But you squeeze it, and then you just swirl it a little bit, and you tip your glass, and boom. So that's really about a half a tablespoon, and then we're going to pour. Now all we have left to do is top it with a little graham cracker crumble. This is approximately 3 squares of graham cracker in there. And then you can give it a little bit of additional caramel swizzle on top. And then all you need is a straw, and you're ready to enjoy. So there you have it. There's my key lime pie shake made with Herbalife protein drink mix and vanilla flavor Formula 1 with all of our extra add-ins to make this taste just like my favorite dessert of all time, key lime pie. I will have this every morning along with my fat burning tea and aloe, and I prefer to make that with a sugar-free orange drink. I use the Herbalife peach tea concentrate, and the mandarin aloe is so delicious, and it will make you not miss having orange juice ever because it's so good. This will keep me until it's what we call snack time, which is when we usually have a little something in the morning, around lunchtime, honestly, for us. 250 calories worth of delicious protein and fresh vegetables, and then another shake in the afternoon, and then dinner later in the day. So this works for me. I've lost 37 pounds so far. We're on our way to 40, and then on our way beyond that. So I want to thank those of you who have asked me, thank those of you who have decided to get on board this train with me. And if you are looking at this and you think, I could probably do that, know that these shakes are not gritty. They don't have an aftertaste. You can make them, you can flavor them up to make them taste delicious with frozen fruits and other things like the instant puddings, the sugar-free sundae syrups, the sugar-free drink mixes. You can make these so amazingly delicious. You really feel like you're doing something bad. We even have a root beer float shake that will blow your mind because it's that good. If you're interested, information will be down below in the information box, or you can private message me on Instagram, Facebook, or send me an email at info@noreenskitchen.com, and I will be there to help you through if it's something you are interested in considering. So I hope you give this key lime pie shake a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.